Hey guys, good morning. I'm Jay.
And I'm Lisa.
We're Our Simple Adventures, and we thought we'd bring you guys up to date on what we've been doing. We are moving into a house. We're still gonna do longer trips, day trips, shorter trips, week trips, whatever. But we felt we needed a sticks and bricks. So today we're gonna bring you guys along as we move some stuff. We wish some of you guys were here to help. But anyway, we'll be right back.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for happy.
Hey, okay, so forgot to film it, but Taylor, our daughter, we had some things stored at her house. We have things stored here at this Advantage storage place. We had stuff at my parents' house in Iowa that we brought back last fall, but just had stuff everywhere. We did a small storage unit up here yesterday, just Lisa and I, and now we got our last large storage unit here, and we'll show you that. But yeah, we got a little well, it's the biggest trailer U-Haul. Yeah, I'll show you what we picked up here. That's what we had left at Taylor's house. So, all right, let's go up to the unit.
Let's go get it going.
That guy got here like 1 minute before we did. No, 30 seconds. He grabbed that second car.
Yeah, hopefully by the next load it'll be.
Yeah, he only had a minivan out there.
Yeah, I got these getting all Christmas stuff.
Yeah, they got all these units in this place, and they only have 2 of these cars sitting inside the door here. This is Tuesday, August 2nd. There's a little storage shed we emptied yesterday. Little one, 5x10. Mostly my tools and garage stuff. This place is a maze too. We've been here so many times. It's like one of those futuristic war games. We'll show you how full this is. Then we'll show you when we're done today. You got the key, right?
Yeah. Turn that around.
These are these goofy locks. Want me to get it?
You've been doing it. Oh, there it goes. I think.
Ugh. Ugh, ugh, ugh.
Way too scary.
This is Tuesday, and we're not going to have any help till
This weekend.
Saturday, Sunday. So we'll just get all the stuff that we were able to carry by ourselves. You guys remember our electric bikes? Remember, we didn't bring them to the RV park. You guys remember when mine got stolen like 3 days after I bought it? Was that last year? Yeah. So we got them at 22. Yeah, 2 years ago. Stolen. So I had to buy another one. So anyway, okay, we're gonna get to work here. We'll show you what it looks like when we're done today. Probably won't look much better. Okay, we got the U-Haul full, or these are the last two loads for the U-Haul, or the U-Haul for our first trip today. Yeah, we put a little bit of a dent in it.
A lot of little junky stuff that can't be boxed.
Yeah, this stuff should all be easier to stack. So, okay, we'll see you when we get to the new house. Okay, you guys, here we are. It's actually the next day. We still got a little bit left in that big storage, but we've, well, no, that was 2 days ago. We talked to you guys last. But here's the house. Here's the house. Neighborhood. Little tiny cul-de-sac here. Yeah, Lisa and I have been busy. I've got to go through all this and keep what we want to keep or whatever. But oh, got some lights on. I'm bringing our friends in here.
Okay.
Yeah.
I just realized we have no blinds. No window covering of any kind.
Oh, wow.
I mean, luckily we have screens, but
Yeah.
that's it.
Well, that's get something, I guess. Yeah. Didn't notice that either. Yeah, this is Wednesday, April 3rd, 2024. We got the keys 2 days ago on Monday. Yeah, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage. And we are keeping the Prowler, but we're gonna have to put it in a storage. We tried to find a house. I guess I'll show you with an RV gate, or at least a place to park Prowler. But look, we looked at 33 houses, and those that did have RV parking, the houses were kind of crappy, kind of beat up. But so, yeah, well, I guess I can take you in the backyard. But we'll have the Prowler nearby, so we can just jump in there and go get the Prowler and do some adventures. Yeah, nice little backyard. That's AstroTurf, so I don't have to mow it. So battery might be going dead on the gimbal here. But see that mountain up there? That's Lookout Mountain. Real pretty in this neighborhood. Yeah, like we said, we're not stopping the adventures. But we just felt like we needed to stick some bricks. Are you done for the day?
Getting close, but no, I'm just waiting for you.
Well, you can work without me. But yeah. Anyway, yeah, I know this is a short one. I'm gonna try and get it out. This is Wednesday. I'm gonna try and get it out for Saturday for you guys. Trying to stick to a 2-week thing.
Now, I know you said that we're not done traveling, and we really aren't, because I really want to be back on the road again and travel and see. There's so much more to see, so we will be going out because I just don't want to stay here forever.
Yeah, we just won't be living full time in the Prowler.
Yeah, now we can take trips and go as long as we want. We don't have any kind of requirements, so restraints or anything. It can be a week, it can be a month. We can do it.
Yeah, and for those of you that may not know, I'm a realtor here in Arizona. So when we're here, I'm going to be selling real estate. So if you know anybody in the Phoenix area, tell them about me. So, okay. Well, we love you guys.
Yeah.
Hit the notification bell. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. We're trying to keep it 2 week. Can't promise it, but should be able to now more so, because we've been looking at houses and trying to find something. And anyway, okay, love you guys. We'll see you
on our next adventure
next time.
Really soon.
Yeah, okay, we do have several planned. Bye-bye. Okay, you guys. We got the fire skies coming. Oh, look at this. Absolutely spectacular. It goes almost all the way around here. Yeah. Oh, it's even in the behind us. Oh, look at that. Spectacular. Yeah. Oh, and if you can imagine that somebody's got a fire pit burning here somewhere. It smells so good. So, all right.